Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can remove my AI on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do, and once you're done, you will go ahead open the Snapchat app. So for example, if I go to my message box, I will be able to find my AI right over there. So for example, if I tap on my AI, I will find this manage friendship, I will find this edit display name, nothing else. And if I again tap and hold to go to chat settings, I won't be able to find this clear chat from feed for that matter. So if you go your profile, you will go to your settings now, and you'll scroll down, find this option called clear my AI data. Tap on it. This will, you can see, by selecting confirm, data from your past conversation with my AI will be deleted. This is one of the options. If you tap on confirm, your data with your my AI will be deleted. That's one of the option. We can again go ahead, tap on this I have a suggestion option, where we can type, go ahead, tap on the settings option, and then you can write over here your suggestion to Snapchat that, hey, I do not like this feature, I want to remove it. Go ahead, type it, and then you can add attachment as well. Take the screenshot of your my AI right there in chat feed, you will attach it and send this suggestion to Snapchat. They will look it up and they will let you know if they can do something about it or not. So this is the way for you guys to remove my AI. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.